night. Only came for the music and the lights. Didn't know I needed more. Then you walked in, caught me by surprise. One look and you got me hypnotized. The way you glide across the floor.